And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to straighten lines between two nodes. It's a typical beginner question that I've often received. We've got this rectangle with a rounded corner, and I can create a curve like this, so left click and drag. And if I want to straighten it out, I select the object, use the nodes tool. I can click on a node and then adjust it with the handle, and when I've got the snapping enabled, it snaps to the node position and that straightens it. You can also use this top function right here. When you've got the node selected, make selected node's corner. The same method works with this rectangle. Just select the node and then drag these handles to the node position. Or select the node, so left click on it and then click on the top function. Sometimes you have to double click on it, so don't get confused. But this top function makes selected node's corner. This straightens it out. On this you can straighten a line between two nodes in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.